Okay, here's Tony and Wally on their second shot at the Big Pine Rapids. And they just got into the canoe. They're getting steady here. And they've already got their plan. They've negotiated the route they're going to take. You can see Tony there back paddling a bit just to get the canoe in good position. And here they come. August 2007, folks, on the Big Pine Rapids, French River, Ontario, Canada. By the way, Wally holds the champion swimming records, and Tony in the stern is the president of the Lambton Outdoor Club. And this trip here has been a 9-day trip led by Tony with the Outdoor Club. Here they come. Past the point of return. Uh-oh. Bumped in. Lost the bow. Could be... No, they're okay. There they are. They got it now. And you can hear the clapping in the background. They've got through, folks. Let's hear a big round of applause for Tony and Wally.